Hey YouTube, Reagan's Ridge here. Just finally decided to break down and buy myself one of these little silicone work mats. They're not expensive. I don't even remember what I paid for this, like $10, $20, something like that. I just bought it on Amazon, and that's the exact one. Anyhow, thought I'd go ahead and do a quick unboxing. There's not much to it. Voila. So there it is. It's got some little sections on it that are magnetic, like this. When I was looking at it online, these little squares in this grid here are numbered, so if you keep track of what you're doing, you can put them over there in numbered order. I don't know what I would use these for right here, but I needed a silicone mat so I could do a little bit of soldering work, and it might make a little bit better background to taking video than this crummy little workbench roll around thing I've got now. So that's all I got for you. Reagan's Ridge out.